how delicious this egusi soup and pumpkin leaf it's looking. You can use it to eat any of your swallow of your choice, whether fufu or amala, or you want to use it to eat white rice. It's good to go in any location you call it. So I'll take you guys along how to. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'll be making a egusi soup. Okay, so I already have my meat in the pot. Then I'll my chicken and a lot more, all the orishi inside. So I will put my, before you start to cook, you will have to let your meat steam. Don't add water, just put your meat in the pot, allow it to bring its own natural water. So I'm going to add a seasoning cube to it to make it, taste well, and then I will be adding salt to it. We are going to cover it up. Okay,
oh na na na. From G on the beat, oh, welcome to crayfish TV. Oh, wow. Don't let no man tell you that you're beautiful. Oh. You are beautiful, don't live and precious. Oh, oh. Nobody wants to give you some love. Nobody wants to tell you that you're beautiful. Oh, all you know more crayfish, I got you. You deserve everything nice and beautiful. The skincare remedies, I will give you. All you know more about your skin, you deserve to be beautiful again. You deserve to grow your skin again. Natural things you will use, natural remedy for you. Oh nah, don't let no man tell you that you're beautiful. Oh. You are beautiful, don't live and precious. Oh, oh. Nobody wants to give you some love. Nobody wants to tell you that you're beautiful. Oh, ain't no cry, still zero stress. Don't know it first, still got the best. So many things you don't see, so many places you don't go. Money no more cause you just got the bread. Stay calm, let me give you this up. Search no more cause already got the best. Makeup tutorial it did for you. Lifestyle blogging it did for you. I been a vlog and cooking. Oh, everything did for you. Subscribe, subscribe, hey, tell your friends, may they join us, tell your friends, may they join us, so you never hear the gist, so you never get something, hey, remedy for skincare, vlog and food, that is what I give you, crayfish, I got you. Everything nice and juicy. Subscribe and thumbs up. Subscribe and thumbs up. Giving you some good vibe, giving you some nice vibe, giving you some nice vibe, giving you some good vibe. Energy too full. I got you, I got you. At the same time, I go love you. I no go back. As we dey go, we no go back. Giving you some good vibe, giving you some more vibe, giving you some good vibe, energy full, giving you my good vibe. I still dey watch your work, God dey bless you. Crayfish, I got you. Lifestyle, food and feel skincare we give you. Oh no, everything else we give you. You crazy pandas. Oh no, no, no. You are beautiful, don't live and precious. You are. Nobody wants to give you some love. Nobody wants to tell you that you're beautiful. All you know more creme and treasure got you. You deserve everything nice and beautiful. The skincare remedies, all I will give you. What you know more about your skin now? You deserve to be beautiful again. You deserve to grow your skin again. Natural tissue we use, natural remedy for you. Oh nah, don't let no man tell you that you're beautiful. You are beautiful, don't live and precious. You are. Nobody wants to give you some love. Nobody wants to tell you that you're beautiful. Ain't no cry, still zero stress. God know it first, still got the best. So many things you don't see, so many places you don't go. Money no more cause you just got the bread. Stay calm, let me give you this up. Search no more cause you already got the best. Make up tutorial it did for you. Lifestyle blogging it did for you. I been a vlog and cooking. Everything did for you. Subscribe, subscribe, tell your friends, may they join us, tell your friends, may they join us, so you never hear the gist, so you never get something, remedy for skincare, vlog and food, that is what I give you, treasure got you. Everything nice and juicy. Subscribe and thumbs up. Subscribe and thumbs up. Giving you some cool vibe, giving you some nice vibe, giving you some nice vibe, giving you some cool vibe. Energy too full. I got you, I got you. At the same time, I go love you. I no go back. As we dey go, we no go back. Giving you some good vibe, giving you some more vibe, giving you some cool vibe, energy food, giving you more good vibe.
Soup. Look at how it's looking with fresh ugu leaf. So you can see how delicious it looks. Can see? Can you see that, guys? Can you see that? Can you see that? So delicious and yummy, guys. Can you see that? Can eat this with any food of your choice. So that's it, guys. I will see you guys on my next video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe if you have not subscribed to this channel. See you guys on my next recipe video. Bye, guys.